lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, tick, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. Alright, today I have just a really quick one. I have now let my terracotta pot that I painted here a couple weeks ago, I let it dry for about 2 weeks. And then after it was all nice and dry for 2 weeks, I went ahead and clear coated it, varnished it with some Minwax polyacrylic clear gloss. And I did 2 coats of that and then let that dry for a couple days. So now it's all nice and varnished and we're ready to go, and we're gonna build a candy jar. So there's a few different ways you can do this. I've done terracotta pots a few different ways and I'll show you real quick. So I've done them and put on like this and put a here like a candle holder, and then you can put a candle in it. Or I've went ahead and poured on the inside of the bottom, and you can put, then it's like this, and it can be like almost like a cake stand looking. And then we also have like a candy jar. So with the top on, and I'll show here in just a moment another angle of that. But you get these here at the Dollar Tree. Both this size and this size for this are both at the Dollar Tree. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get some Goo Gone or something and get this sticker off. Even some dish soap, some warm, soaking it in some warm water and getting some dish soap will get it off. And then you're gonna wanna put a ring of glue on this surface and glue it on. I use this 527 or E6000 glue. This is just what I happen to have right now, so either one works. And then you're gonna just wanna glue this on, and then you've got a candy jar. So I'll show you this in a different angle here.